A horizontal flow wrapper is one of the most widely used packaging machines in food production. It wraps products in a continuous process, forming, sealing, and discharging packs at high speed. It works by feeding products into the machine at a controlled spacing. At the same time, a flat roll of film is unwound and fed into the machine. As the product moves forward, the film is formed around it, before being sealed and cut, to create a finished pack. All of this happens in one smooth, continuous process. The process starts at the infeed conveyor. This section feeds products into the machine at a controlled spacing and orientation. Stable product flow is critical, as poor spacing can lead to misfeeding and sealing issues further down the line. At the same time, packaging film is unwound from the film unwind system and fed into the machine. Entry-level flow wrappers typically use a friction brake to control the unwind, while more advanced machines use a motorized system for more consistent control. The film passes through the forming box, where it is shaped around the product into a continuous tube. A series of wheels pulls the film through the wrapping area. The first set of cold wheels draws and controls the film, while the second set is heated to form the longitudinal or fin seal. This maintains consistent tension and accurate positioning, ready for the end sealing process. The product and film enter the sealing jaw area, where each pack is formed, sealed, and cut. Two heated sealing jaws come together to apply heat and pressure, forming the end seals, while a knife separates each pack at the correct spacing. Servo-controlled motion ensures consistent sealing and accurate timing. The finished packs are discharged onto the exit conveyor, ready for packing into boxes or crates. The electrical and electronic components that control the machine are housed within the electrical cabinet. Through the HMI, operators can manage all functions, including speed, temperature, and timing. Stored recipes enable quick and repeatable changeovers, ensuring consistent performance across different products and formats. This has been a brief introduction to how a horizontal flow wrapper operates. We hope it's given you a clearer understanding of the process. If you need technical support on your existing machine, or guidance on selecting the right flow wrapper for your application, the PacMatix team is here to support you.